Okay guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix reboot and select proper boot device problem in Windows 11. So as an initial step you need to check physical connection. First you need to turn off your PC and unplug it. If you are able to open the computer case, ensure all cables connecting your hard drive or SSD is properly connected. If you are using laptop, make sure the drive is properly seated. Reconnect any loose cables and try restarting your PC. And next method is set the correct boot order in BIOS and UEFI setting. First you need to restart your computer. As soon as it starts, you need to repeatedly press the BIOS key. Most of the computers it should be usually F2, F10 or F12 or ESC key. That depends on your computer. You can check it using your Google, just Google that one. And then after in the BIOS setting, you have to go to the boot tab. Make sure your main hard drive or SSD is set as the first boot device. That means if you install Windows on your SSD, you should set that SSD drive as your first boot device. Otherwise, it will be not booting. Then after, save changes and you can exit from the BIOS. If you don't know how to change the BIOS setting, and if you need to restore that into the default setting in the boot BIOS, look for an option to load setup default or restore default option. Then after, save and exit. This can fix issues caused by accidentally change to BIOS setting, and because this will reset all the settings you are did to BIOS section. The next method is you need to disconnect external devices. You have to remove all the USB drives, external hard drives and DVDs if you plug into the computer while you are turn on your computer. So then after you can restart your computer to ensure it is not trying to boot from the external devices. Next method is repair your Windows boot files. If above steps are not working, sometimes your boot file will be corrupted, so you have to boot from the Windows installation USB or DVD. There are several videos in my channel how to create Windows 11 installation USB, so you can watch that video and you can create your own Windows 11 bootable USB. Once you created that one, you can plug into your computer. Then after, once it is loaded, you can select repair your computer option. Then after, select troubleshoot option and select advanced option, and finally select command prompt option. Now you need to run these commands one by one, not this one. First you need to type bootrec space / fix mbr, hit enter. Once it is done, again you need to type bootrec fix boot and hit enter. Then when it is completed, bootrec scan OS and hit enter. Finally bootrec rebuild BCD, hit enter. Then after, restart your computer and check if your Windows is booting. The next method is you have to run system file checker. So before that you have to open the command prompt again. You can see it's open using repair your computer, troubleshoot, advanced option and command prompt. So once you open your command prompt, you have to type sfc space / scan now. It will scan and repair corrupted system files. So the next method is check for hard drive failure. In BIOS setting, see if your device is detected. As an example, if you are using SSD drive, check in the BIOS section that SSD is detected or not. If it is not detecting, try connecting to the another computer or use built-in diagnostic and check if that hard drive is working or not. If that drive is not detected on the other devices, other computers also, that means it is a hard drive failure. You have to buy a new hard drive or select another hard drive for install the Windows. And the next final method is you have to reset or reinstall Windows. If none of these methods are not working, you have to create your own Windows 11 bootable USB drive. Then after, you have to install Windows again on your computer. If one of your hard drive is not working properly, you have to select another hard drive and install Windows on that hard drive. So I hope this method will be fix your issue, and if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.